In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Teamviewer in Linux. Whether you're new to Linux or simply looking to install Teamviewer for seamless remote access, understanding this process can be incredibly useful. Teamviewer is a powerful tool for remote support and online meetings, and getting it installed on your Linux machine is simpler than you might think. Let's break it down, step by step, so you can get up and running in no time. Let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be Firefox, Chrome, or any other browser you have installed on your Linux system. Once you've got your browser open, head over to the search bar. In it, go ahead and type in Teamviewer. This should take you to the main Teamviewer website. If you're not familiar with it, Teamviewer offers a variety of downloads tailored specifically to different operating systems, so it's important to check that the version you're downloading is compatible with Linux. On the Teamviewer website, you'll want to look for the option that says Free Download. Click on it. You might find that there are different plans or versions available. Take a moment to decide what plan suits your needs best. For most personal users, the free version suffices. But if you anticipate needing it for commercial use, you might want to look into the other options offered. Once you've selected the free download, you're going to see a new screen pop up. Here's where you'll need to pay special attention. Look for the section labeled Linux. It may require a bit of scrolling, but it's definitely there. The Teamviewer website provides downloads for various operating systems, so you want to ensure that you select the correct one for Linux. Upon finding the Linux section, you'll see a download button. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the downloading process. Depending on your internet speed, the download could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. You'll want to keep an eye on your browser's download area in case it asks for permissions or further interactions. Linux sometimes requires additional confirmations when downloading or installing new software. Once the downloading process is complete, you'll have Teamviewer ready to be installed on your system. Depending on your specific Linux distribution, installation methods might vary slightly, so make sure to follow any on-screen prompts or instructions to complete the setup. This often involves running a simple command in your terminal if it's not automatically handled by a package manager. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded Teamviewer on your Linux system. Now you can enjoy all the benefits of remote access and collaboration that Teamviewer has to offer. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in to this quick guide, and happy collaborating with Teamviewer.